Okay, now the capital formation equation is a very useful tool. Okay, it can be used to answer short questions. Okay, in short questions, they will usually ask you about what is the level of investment, okay, given that the government is in a surplus or deficit or whatever. Okay, and even talks about open economy as well. Okay, so when we talk about the level of investment, it is very difficult to use graphs, okay, because we cannot tell the exact magnitude of the change in regards to investments. That's why we have to use mathematical equations, okay, and it will also help you in graphs in a certain way. Okay, sometimes you will encounter difficulties in deciding how much your IS curve should move, whether you should cross a certain point or not. Okay, you can actually use this capital formation equation to determine that. Okay, you will definitely experience this while you are practicing your questions and stuff. So I suggest that you pay quite a bit of attention to this, okay, as it will really help you in the later topics. Okay, so let me go through with you how the capital formation equation is derived. Okay, so income is earned through this. Okay, it is earned through consumption, through investment spending, through government spending, your export revenue, and less your imports expenditure. Okay, that is how your income is earned. What can income be used for by households specifically? They can be used for consumption. They can be used for savings, right? And they can use to be paid taxes. So if you are earning maybe $3,000 in a month, I don't think you spend everything, right? You firstly have to pay off your taxes, right? Your income tax, and whatever that's left, you can choose to either spend or save. Okay, so if you choose to consume half, so you're remaining with half of that for consumption, and you will save the other half, right? So this is the logic behind this equation over here. Okay, so now I'm gonna call this equation 1, I'm gonna call this equation 2, I'm gonna equate them together because this is why, I'm gonna take this and put this here. So I have this. Right, now let me continue from this equation. So since there's C over here and there's C over here, the C actually cancels out one another. So what I have remaining is I plus G plus X minus M equals to S plus T. Investment, government saving, government expenditure, exports, imports, savings, and taxes. I'm going to isolate I to this side, so I'm going to get I equals to S, savings, plus taxes, minus government spending, minus, I'm going to lump this together, okay, X plus IM. Okay, so, oh, wait, just give me a second. Sorry. Okay, so minus X plus M. Yeah, okay, this is the equation, correct. Okay, so let me write that out again for you neatly. Okay, so I've got this. Now, investment, which is a function of interest rates, equals to savings, which is a function of income, plus T minus G minus X plus M. Okay, so what does this equation tell me? Basically, it tells me that when savings has increased due to an increase in income, it makes sense, right? The more I earn, the more I can save. An increase in savings will cause an increase in investments because now there is more for me to invest. Okay? Similarly, for tax revenue less government spending, if this is in a surplus, which means that this is a positive number over here, okay, this is going to mean more funds for investment. Therefore, when my government is in a surplus, I have got more investment. Okay? Now, similarly for this part, if let's say interest rates increase, when interest increase, investments will fall. When this falls, this whole thing on the right hand side will fall too. But it depends on which component it is exactly. Okay, so this is how to use the capital formation equation. We'll talk about this part in the later stage, okay, because we have not been taught open economy yet. Okay, so that is the capital formation equation. It is a very useful tool. Okay, so I suggest that you revise it on a daily basis or whatever. Okay, thank you.